Welcome to the personal property tour for 8 Orchard House, Orchard Grove in Leven. This is a spectacular 2-bedroom luxury upper apartment. Immaculate inside, finished to such a great standard, recently renovated. You have a balcony as well, so you can enjoy these beautiful views. The garden grounds that come with the property as well are spectacular, and I'm just going to show you those before we take you on the tour. So immediately you can see just how beautiful the garden area is. I'm going to go just down and let you have a further look. You have an orchard on site as well. It's quite a good social space for you to enjoy. The grounds go all the way around. It's like a country park. It's just stunning. And the property is just here. Isn't it beautiful? And surrounded by these lovely grounds. The sun is just bursting through the sky there. You've got that great orchard as well with apples, which are okay to pick. So this is the building here. And the apartment is literally at the top here. And you can see just above it, it has its own private balcony as well. Isn't it absolutely stunning? It's just gorgeous. I'm going to take you on the tour and I'll see you upstairs. Hi again, so that's us upstairs. I'm just going to let you see what your entrance hallway looks like. It's beautiful. So look at that, isn't that gorgeous? The beautiful stained glass windows, which actually can't see too great because it's so bright with the light coming through. You've got all this gorgeous ornate finishing. And I'm going to just take you on the tour, and this is number 8. So immediately we come in, instantly you'll see the high-end finish. It's just beautiful. You've got this lovely tiled flooring as well. Beautiful finish all the way up. I'm going to head upstairs. So when we come upstairs, we go into the upper landing. Everything about this is just elegance and style. Lovely glass balustrade. We go up to the main level. You can see the finishing with the doors. So you have this lovely finish, as I said. Got this great skylight here as well, which you can see is letting in so much natural light. It's just bouncing off the glass and the metal. Look at the high-end radiators as well. It's lovely and open. And that's your main hallway. So this is the staircase we just came up. But look at the drop, isn't that lovely and elegant? You've got these really lovely solid doors as well. I'm going to start in the bedrooms. So bedroom number 1, instantly open this door, you'll see the high-end finish. So you've got all this cabinetry and storage. Isn't it beautiful? You've got this storage under here as well. So unusual. It's absolutely stunning. It's a king-size room. You can just see how elegant it is in the finish. Again, you've got these beautiful radiators that go all the way through the property. If I come over this side, look at this space. It's just gorgeous. And you've got lovely views from here as well. So you've got views over the rooftops, over the garden, countryside. It's a great space, isn't it? Such a high-end finish. And that's bedroom number 1. So we'll come back out into the hallway. Again, you've got these beautiful doors all the way through. And we'll go into bedroom number 2. Again, this is a king-size bed. I've just had a new bed delivered and you can see the amount of space that you have. So lots of space to the side. Got dual aspect windows in this room as well. So lots of natural light, really high ceilings actually. You've got built-in cupboards as well, so you've got 3 inbuilds. So plenty of space for an apartment. It's fantastic. And you have these great views over Larglaw. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. It's a great sized room. So elegantly finished. And if I come from this side, you get a feel for really just how large a space it is. And again, you've got these beautiful radiators. And you've got the views over the rooftops. It's just stunning. And the bonus with this one, you have another little private room in here which is currently being utilised as a home office, but it comes off this bedroom. So actually, if you didn't want to use it as a home office, what a great space as a dressing room. Lovely, you've got the window there as well, so nice and bright. Such a great space. Then we're going to head back out into the hallway. And if I just stand here, you get a feel for just the amount of space you have with the property and how bright it is. The way the doors are, the balustrade. It's just superb. If I come back along here, I'm just going to flip again so you can see the hallway. Isn't that lovely? Now, I don't know if it is a best fit, but we're now going to go into the lounge and dining kitchen space. Isn't that gorgeous? So bright in here with sunshine. Look at the radiator. Isn't that unusual? Kind of Games of Thrones, it's beautiful. You've got a big L-shaped sofa, so plenty of space. You've got this gorgeous window seat, and actually that's your exit point out into your balcony, which I'll show you just now. So again, you can go out there, which the current owners do. They've got it all set up with a table, wood burner. It's a great space, isn't it? And you have that beautiful kitchen dining area. Again, lots of light coming in. But the kitchen is absolutely bespoke. High end again, as I said, so your SMEG appliances. So you have a warming tray, your main oven, your top oven. You also have inbuilt, you've got your freezer, your fridge, got your washing machine. You've got recycling in the island as well and storage in the island, so plenty of space here. You've got this beautiful, lovely worktop moulded into the sink and a cooker tap as well, so instant hot and cold water. The finish is here. Look at the diamante just at the eave part. Isn't that gorgeous? Something really different, isn't it? And it's just beautiful throughout. So much space. It's a great social space. Absolutely nothing to do at this property. Move-in condition. It is just glorious. Just to recap, this is a personal property tour for 8 Orchard Grove Orchard House in Leven. It's a beautiful 2-bedroom upper apartment. You can see it's a high-end finish, executively done. Move-in condition. You've got all these beautiful cabinets in the lounge dining area. Lovely radiator, so much attention to detail. You've got the metal and the glass, which really brightens it up. You've got your gorgeous balcony that you can go out and explore, as well as these stunning grounds that the property is on. Location-wise, it couldn't be positioned better. You literally walk down the hill, you're 5 minutes, you're at Leven Glen. You're about a 5-minute drive, you're into Leven. So you've got the high street, the swimming pool, the beach, the promenade, the golf courses, the restaurants, the bars, basically everything that Leven has to offer, as well as the up-and-coming train station, which is due to open in spring. So that adds a big bonus to the local area as well. That will also connect you to Kirkcaldy, through to Edinburgh and beyond, as well as towards Dundee and beyond as well. So there's so much to do here. You've got local primary schools, you've got St Agatha's, you've got Park Hill as well. Everything literally on your doorstep, but you feel like you've got countryside living in a town location. It's a beautiful building, so much on offer. But actually, although the building has some great character, this apartment, really high-end finish as well, so it gives you a bit of a mix with regards to styles. This is the personal property tour. As I say, it's 8 Orchard House, Orchard Grove in Leven. If you're interested in the property, you can message me here directly. Likewise, you can contact the team on 01333 421 774. This is Perry at Fife Properties TV, and the price point is in the post. Take care. Bye-bye.